Oh God. Oh my God. Why? Why do these boxes always do this? On today's video, we will be unboxing a Naruto Kayou Tier 4 Wave 3 box. Let's get into it. We got another 18 packs here of the Naruto Kayou Tier 4 Wave 3 box. This is our first time opening this box, so let's see what we can get here. Got some high expectations after the Tier 4 Wave 4 box, so let's get right into it. Oh, well, interesting. That's how that one's gonna rip. Alright, we got the Ninja Dog, we got the Rock Lee, we got the Shino, and we're starting off with an SP. How do we start off so good every time? This is amazing. We got the SP Shikamaru. How freaking cool is that? I hope that means there's another one in here. But even if there's not, that is awesome. Oh, and then we get the holographic Neji. Alright, pack 2, here we go. Alright, we got a Shino. We got a Naruto. Another Naruto. Oh my gosh. Last video I was telling you about how there's a light and dark SLR card. Version of the card. Same exact card. One's light, one's dark. Last time we got the Hinata card. I actually have that right next to me. I'll show that here. So we got the Hinata dark SLR card. This one's like, I don't know who this guy is. But that's really cool. That's the light version. So you got a dark version and a light version. Can't believe we pulled another one of these. That's back to back, those 2 packs. Wow. We're starting off really good. And then we got this cool holographic Rock Lee. Alright. 3rd pack, we got the Sakura, Iruka, Sasuke, and then a UR Madara. Wow. This is a super heavy box. Wow, that's amazing. And then the holographic Kakashi. Guys, come on. Let me know what you're thinking about this box. This is absolutely amazing. Comment down below. Give me a like. This is unreal. Alright. Rock Lee, Might Guy, and the SSR Asuma. Let's go. Now we have another Asuma. I'm not sure if it's the same one, but that is awesome. We got a few Kurenai last time. Oh, and we got Granny Chio in the holographic. That's awesome. Guys, let me know if the speed is good or if you need me to speed up or slow down. I think I've gotten into a rhythm here, but I might still be going a little slow. But let me know. Alright, we got an SSR Sasuke, I think? Yeah, Sasuke. This is an interesting art. Haven't seen this one before. It's brand new. So that's really cool. Oh, and another Rock Lee. Already got that one. Alright. Starting off with Naruto's mom. And Naruto. And these guys. What? We get the same SP card? What are the chances of that? I don't know whether to be happy or upset about that. What do you guys think? I'm not the happiest about it. That's for sure. That's interesting. Huh. At least I guess we could try to send them both in and see which one gets graded higher. Okay, and then we got this guy. Interesting. Very interesting pack. Interesting. It's already rare enough to get two of those. To get the same one seems a little sketchy to me. But all right, Ino, Kakashi. Oh, and then we get the Might Guy again. I'm not sure. I think this is the third time we've got this card. We love you, Might Guy, but god damn it. All right. Well, this is pretty cool. Obito and Kakashi. Young and older forms. That's really cool. Also, do you guys like my hoodie here? Got the Naruto Ichiraku Ramen hoodie. Alright, we got a Sasuke. We got Choji. Yamato. We got another SLR. Sarada from Boruto. These cards are so cool. I can't even be mad that that's a Boruto card. That is absolutely incredible. Wow. Wow. That is cool. Oh, and then we got like a shadow stitching Shikamaru. Oh, he's like jiggling his butt there. Yeah. Alright, continuing on. If I can get this open. We got ourselves a Choji. Good old Choji. Into the Jugo. Kiba. AR Minato. How cool is that? That's awesome. Really cool card. And then... Oh, okay. And then the holographic Kurenai. That is cool. Is that... Oh, that was the last pack in that stack. Alright, we'll move on to stack 2. See what we can get here, starting off with the Sasuke. I see something back there. Looks like an AR. Got a Sasuke and a Sakura. Kiba. AR Sasuke. Yes. Let's go. AR Sasuke. Looking real nice. Real nice. Oh, and we got a Kakashi, Iruka, and Minato there. Interesting. Is that like, I don't know, teachers of Naruto or missing a Jiraiya if that's the case? Cool card though. Let me know how this box is stacking up to the tier 4 wave 4 box. Got a Naruto. Oh, and another Sasuke SSR. I think we've gotten this one before. But still a real nice art. Oh, I haven't gotten this one though. Oh, that is cool. We got like Naruto and Boruto times of Naruto and Hinata. That's really cool. Alright. Naruto's mom. Jugo. Sasuke. Oh, yes. Yes, we got another Hinata card. Oh, yeah. You know how I like these cards. Love Hinata. Oh, okay. And we got holographic of this person. Can't remember. Alright, we got a Konohamaru. Into the Sai, Sakura, into UR Hokage Naruto. We have this one. We might have 3 of them at this point now. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure we have at least one. We might have 2 others. Still a really cool card. Love it. And then into the Choji. Holographic Choji. Starting to get quite a few duplicates at this point. Still really cool. Put you right next to Hinata there. Alright, Sasuke. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's a cool card. Kiba and Akamaru there. Not sure why they're in flames, but still cool nonetheless. Alright. Sakura. Alright. That's a cool card. Sage Mode Naruto. You are. We might have this one, I can't remember, but it's still an awesome card. We really might have that one, but that's okay. Oh, weird. Back-to-back Kiba Akamaru holographics. Interesting. Alright, Kiba. Might Guy. Shikamaru. SSR 1010. And then this guy. That card's pretty cool though. For a 1010. Alright, we're down to the last 2 packs here. As always, guys, let me know what you're thinking of these videos. Let me know what you want me to do differently or keep doing. Really love your feedback. Means the world to me. And thank you for watching these videos. I'm having a blast with them. Another Sarada AR. We got this one last time, actually, in the last box. Still a cool card though. Really cool. And then Ino. Leave a comment, subscribe so you get notified. Ring that bell so you know when I come out with a new video. We're at our last pack here. Hopefully we get some last pack magic. Alright, ending off with the Choji. 1010. SSR Kiba. SSR Kiba. That's alright, we started off strong. Into the holographic 1010. Win some, you lose some. We had a great box. Let me know what you guys thought of the box down below. And as always, guys, love you very much. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace.